2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swedish Pirate coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. So today we're doing Wicked Games, Chris Isaak. Yeah, I had an accident with my eyes, so it's gonna be like this for a week or two. That's okay. Keep doing videos, right? Alright, so let's go. Capo on 2. So we have B minor, but it's going to look like an A minor, so we don't need these difficult bar chords. Okay, so we got an A minor shape. 1, first finger, 2nd, 3rd. G major. 1, 2, 3, and then a D major. 1, 2, 3, and we want to make that sus. Just add your pinky while you're holding the chord on the 3rd fret E string. So here's the switching. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sus D, A minor, D, and D. Sus D, we have that cool picking that we can do. So over A minor, that's strum and then pick. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then strum G and pick the same way. Strum 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then just strum over D again. time, picking. Come on. Cool. Wicked Games. Cave 2. So A minor, G and D, D sus, D, and strumming down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, sus, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's all the rhythm parts for this tune. You got a bunch of other stuff going on with the electric, but that's a different lesson. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Safe than me. And take it easy. Thank you.